Top 10 Facts about Elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, with adult males, bulls, weighing up to 12,000 pounds and standing up to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Their massive size is supported by strong, pillar-like legs and a sturdy skeletal structure. Despite their bulk, elephants are surprisingly agile and can move at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Their size provides protection against predators, though they are still vulnerable to poaching and habitat loss. Elephants have thick skin, which can be up to 1 inch thick in some areas, helping to protect them from physical damage. Their large ears not only aid in hearing but also help to regulate body temperature by dissipating heat. The size and power of elephants make them iconic symbols of strength and majesty in the animal kingdom. Elephants have exceptional memory. Elephants are known for their incredible memory, which plays a crucial role in their survival. They can remember the locations of water sources, migration routes, and the social structures within their herds. This memory allows them to navigate vast territories and return to places where they have previously found food and water. Elephants also remember individuals and can recognize other elephants and humans they have encountered, even after many years. This ability to recall past experiences helps them avoid dangers and form strong social bonds. Their memory is supported by a highly developed brain, particularly the temporal lobe, which is associated with memory and learning. The saying "an elephant never forgets" is rooted in their remarkable cognitive abilities. Elephants have complex social structures. Elephants live in matriarchal societies, with family groups led by the oldest and often largest female, known as the matriarch. These social groups consist of closely related females and their offspring, and they can include multiple generations. The matriarch plays a critical role in the group, using her experience and knowledge to lead the herd to food, water, and safe habitats. Elephants communicate through a variety of vocalizations, body language, and even seismic signals transmitted through the ground. Their social bonds are strong, and they show empathy by comforting distressed individuals and mourning the loss of herd members. Male elephants usually leave the herd when they reach adolescence and may live alone or form loose bachelor groups. The social complexity of elephants highlights their intelligence and emotional depth. Elephants use their trunks for multiple purposes. An elephant's trunk is a versatile and powerful tool, combining the upper lip and nose into a single elongated structure with over 40,000 muscles. They use their trunks for a wide range of activities, including drinking water, grabbing food, and social interactions. Elephants can use their trunks to lift heavy objects, break branches, and dig for water or roots. The trunk is also sensitive enough to pick up small items, such as a single blade of grass. Elephants communicate with each other by touching trunks, and they can even use their trunks to produce sounds for long-distance communication. The trunk's dexterity and strength make it essential for an elephant's daily life and survival. Elephants are keystone species. As keystone species, elephants play a vital role in their ecosystems, significantly influencing the environment and other species. Their feeding habits, such as uprooting trees and creating clearings, help maintain the savanna and forest ecosystems. These actions create habitats for smaller animals and promote plant diversity by allowing sunlight to reach the ground and new plants to grow. Elephants also dig water holes that other animals use during dry seasons, ensuring access to water for various species. Their dung disperses seeds and provides nutrients that enrich the soil, supporting plant growth. The presence and activities of elephants have cascading effects on biodiversity and ecosystem health, highlighting their importance in maintaining ecological balance. Elephants exhibit self-awareness. Elephants are one of the few species that demonstrate self-awareness, a sign of advanced cognitive abilities. This is often tested using the mirror test, where an elephant is shown a mirror and observed for signs of recognizing itself. Elephants have been seen touching marks on their bodies that are only visible in the mirror, indicating they understand the reflection is their own. This level of self-recognition is rare in the animal kingdom and is also seen in species like great apes and dolphins. Self-awareness in elephants suggests a high level of intelligence and emotional complexity. It allows them to engage in complex social behaviors and may contribute to their empathy and understanding of other elephants' needs and emotions. Elephants can communicate over long distances. Elephants use low-frequency sounds, called infrasound, to communicate over long distances, sometimes up to several miles. These sounds are below the range of human hearing but can travel through the ground and air, allowing elephants to stay in contact with each other even when they are far apart. Infrasound communication helps elephants coordinate movements, find mates, and warn each other of potential dangers. This ability is crucial for their survival, especially in the vast and varied landscapes they inhabit. Researchers use special equipment to study these communications, providing insights into elephant behavior and social structures. Understanding infrasound communication helps in the conservation and protection of these magnificent animals. Elephants have strong familial bonds. Elephants form deep and lasting bonds with their family members, displaying behaviors that show care, cooperation, and affection. They engage in social grooming, touching, and vocalizing to maintain these bonds and support each other. When a calf is born, the entire herd takes part in its upbringing, protecting and nurturing the young elephant. Elephants also demonstrate empathy, comforting distressed individuals and helping injured or sick members of the herd. They have been observed mourning the deaths of family members, showing behaviors like standing vigil over the body and gently touching the bones. These strong familial bonds are crucial for the social structure and survival of elephant herds. Elephants are capable of tool use. Elephants have been observed using tools to aid in various tasks, a sign of their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They use branches to swat flies, scratch themselves, and even as back scratchers. Elephants also modify objects for specific purposes, such as stripping leaves off branches to make them more effective. In some cases, they have been seen using large leaves or pieces of bark to plug water holes to prevent evaporation. This ability to use and modify tools indicates a high level of cognitive function and adaptability. Tool use among elephants underscores their resourcefulness and ability to manipulate their environment to meet their needs. Elephants are threatened by human activities. Despite their ecological importance, elephants face significant threats from human activities, including habitat destruction, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Poaching for ivory has led to drastic declines in elephant populations, especially in Africa. Habitat destruction due to agricultural expansion, logging, and urbanization reduces the space available for elephants to live and find food. Human-wildlife conflict arises when elephants enter villages or farms in search of food, leading to crop damage and sometimes violent encounters. Conservation efforts focus on anti-poaching measures, habitat preservation, and promoting coexistence between humans and elephants. Protecting elephants is crucial for preserving biodiversity and maintaining healthy ecosystems.